Welcome back my friends in my new tutorial of TI portal. So in this tutorial we are going to discuss about the different types of timer. So you will see how it will work. So now I'm going to use that timer there. First timer as a TP timer, and the second timer we are going to use, first we are going to check that one. So I'm 0.0 and I'm going to check it to 5 seconds. Sorry, 5 seconds, and then just delete my old data there because it's created problem. Now I am going to compile it and download it to my PLC. I just open that to show you. First of all, we are going to online. Also going to online there. You will see it will now it will work. So I am now going to modify it to 1. You will see the timer will start timing. I think I don't use zero. Now I'm just compiling it again, downloading it. Now I'm going to modify it to 1. You will see the timer is now going to work, and you will see after the time will done, then will our output will on. So I'm going to modify it to 1. You will see it will true. When our timer is done, it will auto reset our bit, and that's how it will going to work, because it is our TP timer. Now I'm just going to delete that again and use my turn on timer. Right, TP timer, it will on. When the timing is done, it will directly off. So I'm just going as a DV1 as a timer. Also I'm going to write a 5 second there and then D0 there. Now I'm going to compiling it and downloading it to my PLC. Now I'm going to online it. Also going to online it there. I'm going to modify it to 1. Sorry. Why our output is not. Now I'll try to modify it to 1. Why it will not work? I'm just going offline because we are using MD0 there. So I need to 4.0 there to check that one again. You will understand we don't use the same address there because it have taken 4 hour memory, means 16-bit register. So after 16-bit it will start for MD4, so I am using M4.0 there. Now I am using to modify it to 1. You will see after the time done, then it will give output. So I am just going to win. That's how our turn on timer work. compiling it and downloading it. You will see the TOF timer will on. When the time is going to off, it will always, you will see. When you push it will going to off. So how it is turn off timer are now going to work. Now I'm going to offline, delete that one, and now I'm going to use our TON timer. It will same as a TON, but it will reset when we, so I'm going to put it 5 seconds and ET always in D0. Now in the reset I am using an M4.1 there. Now I am going to compile it and download it to my PLC. I am going to give it to online. You will see. And out 0. Now you will see it will reset it. Then when I am going to use it 0. Now when I am going to modify it to 1, you will see it will start working. And now I am going to modify it to 0. You will see that time is remain. But when we are going to modify it to 1, then it will reset. So that's how our bot timer are now going to work. So thank you very much for watch my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, and comments if you don't understand anything. Click the bell icon. And in the end, I am telling you that I give more lectures links in our description, like ignition SCADA and software SCADA, and more factory tutorial with the AI photo. So if you want to learn, so watch my videos. So thank you very much again for watch my video.